It's 2026. For decades we've been fighting a war. A war against background processes, Windows update popping up during a boss fight, and then sheer clunkiness of using a mouse to launch a game on a PC meant for a controller. Microsoft just dropped a small bomb, but one we've been waiting for. It's called Xbox Mode for Windows 11. It's a continuation of Microsoft's strategy calling everything is an Xbox. But as everything Redmond touches, there's a catch, or three. Today we are breaking down on why your second monitor might suddenly become a very expensive paperweight, how this mode actually gives you an FPS boost that game mode never could, and why this is the first real step forward the rumored Project Helix hybrid console. If you ever wanted your PC to just act like a console when it's time to play, then this is for you. But if you're a multitasking king, you might want to hold off on that install button. Let's dive in. First, let's clear the air. This isn't the game mode toggle from 2017 that did, well, almost nothing. This is Xbox Mode, formerly known as the full screen experience. Originally, Microsoft built this for the handhelds, the Rock Allies and the Legion Goes of the world, to hide the fact that Windows is a nightmare on a 7-inch screen. But now it's on your desktop. When you toggle this on via Win plus F11 on the game bar, the Windows shell essentially goes into hibernation. No desktop icons, no taskbar, just a controller optimized dashboard that pulls in your library from Steam, Epic and obviously Game Pass. Initial benchmarks, and yes, we checked the receipts from Tech for Gamers, show real gains. We are talking better 1% lows in CPU-bound titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or RE Requiem. Why? Because Windows is finally killing its own children. It suspends non-essential background tasks, frees up RAM and forces flip mode on windowed games. It's the closest thing to a SteamOS experience we ever had on Windows. Now let's talk about the fix-it list. If you are a one-monitor couch gaming person, then you are winning. But if you are a PC gamer in 2026, chances are you have a second screen for Discord, Spotify or a walkthrough. Currently, Xbox Mode is a all-or-nothing deal. When it activates, it frequently blanks out secondary displays. It doesn't just minimize apps, it effectively cuts the signal to anything that isn't your primary gaming screen. Microsoft claims this is an intentional design choice to maximize system resources. I don't know about you, but I don't think my PC needs to turn off my Spotify monitor to give me 2 extra frames in Minecraft. For streamers, this is a deal breaker. No OBS preview, no chat visibility. It treats your 4000 liquid cooled brick like a handheld with a single 180p screen. Microsoft, if you are listening, we are PC gamers because we like orchestrating our chaos, not surrendering it. We need a passive second screen toggle and we need it yesterday. So why is Microsoft doing this now? And the answer is because the Xbox brand is in a midlife crisis. With Asha Sharma taking the reins, the strategy has shifted. They know they can't beat Sony at the high-end box game anymore, so they are turning every PC into an Xbox. This is the groundwork for the Project Helix. The rumor mill and the internal leaks suggest that the next Xbox won't be just a locked-down box. It will be a hybrid device running this exact Xbox mode as its primary OS, but with the ability to flip a switch and have a full Windows desktop for pro work. They are blurring the lines. By bringing Xbox mode to your desktop today, they are beta testing the interface for their 2027 hardware on us. We are the lab rats, and honestly, if they fix the multi-monitor bugs and the occasional UI hang, I'm not even mad about it. So what's the move? If you have a living room PC or a handheld, download the update code KB5083631 immediately. It transforms the experience fully. Navigating Steam and Game Pass with a joystick without seeing a low battery Windows notification is a bliss. But if you are a desk dweller with a multi-monitor setup, stay away for now. Wait for the bi-weekly updates Microsoft promised for the rest of 2026. Xboxification of Windows is inevitable. It's clear Microsoft wants to win the living room back from Valve's Steam Deck, and they are willing to sacrifice the traditional desktop feel to do it. This is the biggest shift in Windows gaming since DirectX 12, but I want to hear from you, is the performance boost worth losing your second monitor? Or is Microsoft just trying to turn our PCs into glorified consoles? Drop a comment below, I'm curious if anyone has found a workaround for the screen blanking yet. And hey, if you want to know if DLSS 5 is actually going to save your aging GPU or if it's just more AI magic, make sure you subscribe. That was DigmaPulse. Stay updated, stay geek. See ya!